Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Here we are going to start our day with a meaningful thought. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. What does it say? That if you want to achieve something, have you ever seen the sun? Have you observed it? When it gives us shine, to give us shine, sun has to burn itself. So, if you want to shine like the sun, means if you want to achieve something, then first you have to make hard work. So, you all are ready? Good. Welcome to the world of mathematics. Get ready with your notebook, pencil. Sit straight. Make your back straight, everyone. As you all know that. So chapter number 1, which is numbers up to 50. Learning objectives for chapter number 1 are numbers up to 20 in the form of FB, numbers before, between and after, comparing numbers, counting by tens, arrange the numbers. So, till now we have completed numbers before, after and between. Then also we have started the concept of comparing numbers. So, who knows what we have completed in comparing numbers? Any idea? Till now we have completed smaller number and bigger number. How to find out the smaller number? How to find out the bigger number? Also we learn how to find out the smallest number among all, as well as how to find out the biggest number. I hope you all have completed all the notes in your maths fair book with a very good handwriting. Let's make a revision, a very quick revision. Ring the biggest number. We have number 23, 32 and 37. So here we can say that number 37 is the biggest number, so we have to make circle around it. Next we have number 18, 48 and 32. Observe it and tell me which is the biggest number. Yes, 48 is the biggest number, so we have to make circle around it. 25, 49 and 29. So here 49 is the biggest number, so we have to make circle around it. Next 11, 25 and 46. So 46 is the biggest number. We have to make circle around it. Next 20, 39 and 17. So by observing this, we can say that 39 is the biggest number, so we have to make circle around it. Next we have 41, 45 and 43 as well. So here 45 is the biggest number and we have to make circle around it. Now we are going to learn about arranging numbers. What do you understand by the word arranging? What is the meaning of to arrange? To arrange means to make set up properly. For things, we can say that we have to put everything at its proper place. Or in the other word, we can say that we have to arrange our cupboard properly. Okay. In numbers, how can we arrange it? Let us see. The ascending and descending order of numbers. Here I have used the word ascending and descending. What does it means by? In this chapter we have to learn the same topic. The name is increasing order and decreasing order. What does it means by? Let's see. See. Here you can see some balls. They all are in different sizes. Look at the arrangement. How they all are arranged. These balls have been arranged from the smallest to the biggest. Now observe it. First there comes the smallest one. Then bigger than that, afterwards bigger than previous, and at last the biggest of all. So soon after, if you can see, there are 4 numbers. See how they arrange. First there comes 25, then 26, 27 and 28. So if you observe, These numbers have been arranged from the smallest to the biggest. Observe all the given number. First, there comes 25. By increasing 1 steps, it goes till 28. So, to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest is called increasing order or ascending order. I repeat, the arrangement of numbers from smallest to biggest is called increasing order or ascending order. See, here also you can easily say that these numbers are arranged in ascending order. See, look at the arrow. First there comes 1, then 2, 3 and then 4. So we can say that these all numbers are arranged in ascending order. Ascending or increasing means smallest to biggest. Look at this arrangement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In the other words, we can say that ascending order or increasing order is the same like you are going upstairs. Order of numbers. Increasing order. INCREASING, increasing. ORDR, order. Look at these numbers. They are not in order, but they are also arranged from the smallest to the biggest. See, they are present number 19, 25 and 40 as well. See the arrangement. First, there comes 19, which is the smallest number in this group. Then after 25 and at last there comes 40, which is the biggest number in this whole group of numbers. So my dear students, this arrangement from smallest to biggest is called increasing order or ascending order. Write question number 9. Everyone take out your notebook. Now it's time to write down. First write today's date and day. Then write question number 9. Write these numbers starting from the smallest on the lowest step to the biggest on the top of the steps. I am waiting for a while. Till then you all have to complete the question. Write these numbers starting from the smallest on the lowest step to the biggest on the top of the steps. See what's new? Now see, first write down 3 numbers 1, 5, 15, 7 and 3. One 5, 15, 7 and 3. Everyone completed? Now see, we have to find out the smallest one first. So here number 3 is the smallest one. So where does it comes? At the first step. Now observe it. Which number comes afterwards? Which is the bigger number? It is 7. So after 3 there comes 7. Number 15 is the biggest number, so it comes on the top of the steps. Write down it. I hope everyone has completed. If not completed, then complete it. I am waiting so that everyone can complete. Make sure that your handwritings must be good. Next, everyone write down 20, 1, 5, 15, 4 to 42. Twenty, 15 and 42. So now observe this. And tell me which number is smallest among all these numbers. Yes, 15 is the smallest number. So first there comes 1, 5, 15. Everyone write down 1, 5, 15. Which number is bigger than 15? It is 20, 20. So There comes 20. Next, which is the biggest number? We can say that 42 is the biggest number. So put number 42 on the very first step. (15), (20) and (42). This is the arrangement of smallest to biggest. Next, write down 35, 16 and 28. Listen, my dear students, you all have to write with me. Write down 35, 16 and 28. So, now find out which number is the smallest. Number 16. So, it comes on the very first step. Now, we have to find out the bigger number than number 16. So, it is number 28. Now, which is the biggest of all the given numbers? So, we can easily say that 35 is the biggest number among all the given numbers. Write down number 35. 16, 28 and 35. Done? Good. Now write 2020, 1515 and 4242. 20, 15, 42. Now observe which is the smallest number. So 15 is the smallest. First there comes 15. Then after 20, 20. At last there comes 42. Everyone write down in your book 15, 20 and 42. See the arrangement. It is smallest to biggest. I would like to repeat the arrangement from smallest to biggest is called increasing order or ascending order. Write down 27, 24 and 29. You all have to write it properly, Now see which number is the smallest. First what we have to do, we have to find out the smallest number among all the given numbers. Observe it carefully and think in your mind which will be the smallest number. Here 24 is the smallest number. So first there comes 24. Then after 27 and at last 29. Okay? Very good. Now everyone get ready to write table of 2. Write the heading TABLE table of 2. Two ones are 2. Two twos are 4. Two threes are 6. Two fours are 8. Two fives are 10. Two sixes are 12. Two sevens are 14. Two eights are 16. Two nines are 18. Two tens are 20. At your home everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.